Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix a clock that's not really working on your screen. All you really need to do is refresh it, okay? So if it's not showing anywhere, like if it's not showing on the top of here or in your lock screen, it's basically mismatches on your system. Just go ahead to the settings and search for clock, and click this one right here, and right here you just basically click on set, or you could just basically click on turn on. And this one, you're going to have a bunch of options here where you could basically put it on your lock screen or in your home screen or in both. Okay, so click on this one if you want both. And yeah, that's just basically it for the video. So I certainly hope this video is of any help. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.